What's up, everybody? Here we are. I want you to enjoy the experience with us. White Mountain National Forest covered bridge. Let's go. It's beautiful up here. We got the mountains everywhere, river on both sides. Here we are. All you can smell in the air is freshness. That water running, it's beautiful. It's not like the city. Sometimes you need some of that. It's a good advice for anybody looking for something. This is free. Pay for your gas and get there. It's been amazing to be able to view these historic features today with my love. Couldn't do it without her. I don't know if you guys actually get the vibe, but there's something in the air around here. There's like, this bridge has seen a lot. I'll show you a little something of the view.